Hi everyone, welcome to Ckenna's channel. My name is Ckenna, and in this channel we talk about business ideas and online business ideas that you can start. So today I'm sharing unique work from home jobs perfect for stay-at-home moms. You can replace your income so you can have time doing mommy duties, you know what I'm saying? And the first one is buy and sell. Some of these jobs are underrated, if I'm not wrong. So in buy and sell, you just buy products in Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, and or flea markets and sell for a profit. Refurbish it or repurpose it. Products that can fetch you good amount of money are furniture and kitchenware. Well, the next one is, it's kind of related to the first one, is sell stuff online. So get rid of some items that you do not need or use in your home, like outgrown baby clothes, toys, by selling online. You can sell it through local sites or Facebook Marketplace. Get to earn some extra cash and space by selling stuff online. Okay, so the next one is become a user tester. Do you know what a user tester is? There are some sites that offer this kind of gig, where you just, on your free time, you just by testing apps and website. I'm not good in technique stuff, but it's just simple stuff that you can do online. So the next one is photographer. Be a photographer. Having a passion for photography, this is your time to shine. Learn skills from online courses. I believe Udemy offers such courses. You can also check such courses in YouTube. Buy a camera or hire one. Start taking pictures of family and friends as you learn. Then commercialize your skills. Take pictures of newborns. You can specialize in taking pictures of newborns, children, or just simply family portraits. On the other one is being a nanny or start your own daycare. Since you're now a stay-at-home mom and you have a lot of free time and you're thinking of where can I get extra cash? Okay, if you love kids and can handle more kids, plus kids, I mean it's a plus, okay. And start a daycare home for kids where mom who are working or running daytime errands. While they're doing their errands, take care of their kids for a few hours before they return. And this, it's a unique way, and it's one of the underrated one, being an online coach or offer consultation services. Do you have expertise on certain skills or job field? You can coach on that area of expertise, or is it expertise, and get some extra cash. No, it's just for a few hours and you can connect through calls or Zooms. It's not a matter of seeing each other face to face. Get that extra cash while you're doing what you love. So this is the end of the video for today. See you in the next one. Subscribe. I hope you've learned something or two from this video. See you in the next one.